Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a hair routine. This is basically me doing my hair at home. I haven't done one of these videos in quite some time, so I figured I would show you guys the process all over again. This is actually my first time doing my hair myself since I cut it back in August. So the shampoo that we're using today is the Aunt Jackie's Oh So Clean. This one has been in heavy rotation. Like when I do have to wash my hair, this is what I've been using as of lately. And you guys know, for the most part, I go to a salon and get my hair done just because, sis, I don't have the time. But I didn't have a choice. So I figured, oh my God, might as well record it, right? Now, when I do wash my hair, I do like to shampoo my hair twice. The first time, really doesn't lather as good as the second time. And I'm a lather type of person. I like my shampoo to lather because I feel like it's working. But, of course, do what works best for you. 2 shampoos for me is pretty good. And then for the conditioner, I'm going to go in with the Aunt Jackie's Cocoa Repair. This is just a coconut repairing deep conditioner. My hair has been really dry and I haven't been doing my best to take the best care of it. So I felt like a deep conditioner was very much so needed. So I like to pile on the conditioner, okay? I put a lot of conditioner in my hair. My hair strands are very dense, so I feel like I need a lot because I have a lot of hair on my head and it just works best for me. So I'm actually going to sit with this on my hair for about 20 minutes. Okay, so my hair is about 50% dry and this is basically what it looks like. It's a lot of different textures going on. You guys know that I mainly wear my hair straight and I've been straightening my hair for years. Like I only wear my hair straight. So a lot of my natural curls are gone. My hair is like heat trained. So I am 100% natural. I only wear my hair straight though. I never wear it natural. So, I just do what works best for me in my hair. You do what works best for you in your hair. But anywho, when I blow dry my hair, because that's what we're about to do, I like to section my hair in 4 sections. It just makes the process a lot easier for me. And I also prefer to use a comb attachment when I'm blow drying because I just feel like it hits the root a lot better. And then once I get towards the end, I'll take the attachment off and just use a paddle brush and kind of like brush through my hair with the blow dryer just to make sure all my hair is dry. So yeah, I also straighten my hair in the 4 sections and I'm using the Paul Mitchell Neuro Smooth flat iron, which is my favorite. I've been using this flat iron for years and I do use my flat iron on the highest setting, which is 450 degrees because I have to. I have a lot of hair and it's got to get straight. Of course, set your temperature to whatever you want it to be, whatever works best for your hair, but this is what works for me and mine. And when I'm straightening my hair, I have to hit the root like 3 times because, listen, that's where a lot of the texture is, and I need my roots to be as straight as can be, okay? yeah, this is the finished result. I do feel like my hair is a little heavy because the heat protecting spray that I use by ORS is like a oil, but we're gonna work with it. So I'm just showing you guys how I wrap my hair. Real easy breezy. Not, it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? It just has to be wrapped. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Of course, I'm going to list all the products that I used in this video, from the shampoo to the brushes to the wrap scarf that I use. All that jazz will be in the description box. And we're going to wrap our hair and then go to bed, sis, because you got to sleep on it. The press is always better the next day, and then the next day, and then the next day. Like, it just gets better as it gets older. And here we are. These are the final results. Also, you guys know, like, I really only wear a middle part, but I think I'm wearing my middle part out. It just getting a little thinner. Like, where's the hair going? Luckily, I have a lot of edges, but come on, baby girl, where's the hair going? So yeah, this is about it. As you know, well, most of you know, I got my hair cut into a blunt bob at the end of August, and we're now in November, and I feel like my cut has grown out already. Like, I feel like, should I cut it again? Because I really didn't. I don't feel like I wore my bob long enough. But now I'm like, okay, I'm over that. Should I color it? Like, it's a lot. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.